Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit and Jody got buried. Should have known we never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seems to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'll always be there. Those were the best days of my life. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Spend my evening down at the drive-in, and that's how I met you, yeah. Standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you wait forever. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69. Then we were killing time and we're on the west coast. The New Year to unwind. I guess nothing could